Hello there, welcome back to Nile's tutorial with your trainer Bhavna. Today we are going to have a glance on some impressive phrases. So first is a slap on the wrist. That means a mild punishment or reprimand. For example, after being caught cheating on the test, he just received a slap on the wrist by the teacher. Next is flesh and blood. That means family members or relatives. For example, despite their differences, she couldn't turn away from her own flesh and blood in times of need. Next is doubting Thomas, means someone who is skeptical and refuses to believe without direct evidence. For example, he is such a doubting Thomas that even after seeing the magic trick twice, he still won't believe that it's real. Next is a house divided against itself cannot stand. That simply means unity is strength. If a group or organization fights amongst themselves, they'll not succeed. For example, the team's constant internal conflict weakened their performance. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Here we have a picture paints 1,000 words. That means visual images can convey complex ideas more effectively than words. For example, the photograph of the refugees' plight spoke louder than any article could. A picture paints 1,000 words. Next we have against the clock. That means rushed for time, under pressure to complete something quickly. For example, with the deadline approaching, they worked against the clock to finish the project on time. Next we have is all bark and no bite. That means someone who talks rough but doesn't act accordingly. All talks and no action. For example, the new manager threatened strict consequences but turned out to be all bark and no bite when it came to enforcing the rules. All Greek to me, that means something that is incomprehensible or difficult to understand. For example, the technical jargon in the manual was all Greek to me. I couldn't make any sense of it. Next is an axe to grind. That means having a selfish or ulterior motive of doing something. For example, his criticism of the new policy was not out of genuine concern, but because he had an axe to grind with the management. As high as a kite means being under the influence of drugs or alcohol, typically resulting in euphoria or altered behavior. For example, after drinking all night, he was as high as a kite and couldn't even walk straight. Stay tuned for more such impressive phrases to be used in your day-to-day language. Thank you.